guys. Ayan, Jollibee guys. Punta tayo sa Jollibee. Punta ka sa Jollibee guys. Jollibee Kuala Lumpur. Ayan. Ano pala yung mga regalo dito? Ano? Asia din. Ano pala din? Sa kiosk ko pa. Sa kiosk. Start na guys. Saan yan? Yung bagay sa doon. Saan yung bagay sa doon? Nandun pala. Nandun pala. So, dito.
Someone shot, yeah, it must be something to do with work.
So, dito yung anak ko. Hintay po kami sa mga bagahe namin guys, yung luggage namin. Ayun, nandun pala doon. Nandun pala. Yun pala lumalabas. Yun pala lumalabas. Yun guys. Doon pala. Number 1, first owner. First owner guys. Second owner, third owner. Nandun pala. Sa akin. Thank you Lord. Hindi sa akin. Ay, ito sa akin guys. Yun sa akin guys. Ito sa akin. Oh. Boom. Ay, thank you. Dito na sa akin guys. Hello guys, wala pang luggage naman guys. Naghintay pa kami sa luggage namin. Ito yung nasakyan ko, Penang AK6123 yung number, yan guys, yung nasakyan ko. Dito yung luggage ko, baggage. Wala pa guys. So maghintay pa kami guys. Dito lang pala. So mamaya maghanap ako saan yung international. Kasi domestic dito guys. Yung international sa taas yan. Ayan guys. Kung ano ba dito? Terminal 3. Ayan guys. Yan guys. Ano pa? Ang tagal yung luggage. Kuala Lumpur. Wow. Way out. Way out.
Really doesn't know me. I mean, yeah, we know it's quiet.
Kaluwar. Dito yung kaluwar. Dito pala yung kaluwar. Out. Dito yung out, guys. Tapos sino kung balik ako doon. Ano yun? Tingnan natin dito. Kaluwar, way out. Tanong ko. Excuse me. What's the international flight? Can go there and then go up. Okay, thank you. I wait my luggage. Yun pala. Mamaya dyan na pala. Dito yung nabagahe namin guys.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. It's never not going to come back again, is it? Right. You have one left, that's it.
Dito yun ang kaluwar. Bagahe. Marami rin yung kumakain dito guys. Marami rin kumakain guys. Yung bagahe ko guys. Cebu. Kuala Lumpur po Cebu guys. Ayun. Ito pa yung ako 7 kg. 7 kg. Maraming tao dito guys. Maraming tao. Yung Jollibee nila dito guys sa Kuala Lumpur. Dito sa airport. Spaghetti na to guys, oh. Yung chicken. 20 ringgit. 20 ringgit guys. Yung Jollibee dito sa airport sa Kuala Lumpur. Oh.
Towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. It is normal for the mask not to fully inflate after activation. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on upon contact with water, and here is a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now.
Guys, nawala ng window.
I just have the
Nandito ako sa ano guys. Yung boarding na po ako. Nandito ko sa window.
I'm not sure. I've only got one way ticket.
Right.
Which they don't like. They normally ask before you board.
Laki ng Malaysia wildlife. So yung amo plane guys, may Philippine flag. Yan guys. Oil ano siya? Oil. Oil.
flying with us. Dear guests, for passengers traveling with infants and were given Infant Life Vest, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you.